So how you guys doing? Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to check out we're going to discover coins that we need to ICOs that we need to invest in. So to do that, just go to Google and type ICO list. I have websites that I prefer to use, but just type this on Google, ICO list. You'll see listing sites for ICO. My Google is so big, alright? So we'll see listing sites for ICOs. Look at we have here TACT V ICS people, no? List of acronyms. So ICO listing sites, okay? So that's what you check. ICO listing sites. You have to skip all these ones that have ad. This is a paid advertisement, this is a paid advertisement. So we don't need all these guys. So we're looking for anything from here. See ICO daily, okay? Open. There is an ICO hot list, a list ICO, and the top ICO list. Whatever ICO now.net, top 10 ICO list, no, ICO checker. So as you can see, there are so many of them, alright? So even the one I use mostly is not even here. So let me show you what they really are. So ICO daily, what it does is it lists, look at active ICOs that are on, and these are upcoming ICOs, you see, and these are ended ICOs that just ended, alright? So basically what you do is their goal is to raise these ones. Their goal is to raise 75 million, and now you're looking at this, you're saying sponsored, you see, sponsored. So basically for me, sometimes I don't like going through sponsored ICOs. I like to see the normal listed one. Look at VinChain, it's ending today. So we're looking for ICOs that are not ending today that we want to invest in. Sometimes a good way to see an ICO to invest in, to check out, is if you see their advert. Maybe you're browsing on Facebook and you see their advert, or on YouTube, and then you discover their advert. You could go check them out. If they can pay for adverts, then maybe they have some certain level of money, you understand? So all these ones ends today. So we're looking for ICOs that are upcoming. Okay, good. So we have this one. They want to raise $45 million. Okay, this one wants to raise $15 million, $28 million. So we can click on one. This is sponsored, okay, and see what they have. Token sales start. They want to raise $6 million. Okay, they have already raised 6 million of 45 million. Okay, so this is just it. Then the next one, let's look at another ICO listing website. I'm just showing you that all of them look alike. So look at this one. This one does lists ICOs. List Hold is a peer-to-peer lending and borrowing platform that allows members to leverage. And then this is it. It's ending. This one is ending on April 19th, and today is April 15th. And Did Coin. This one, Tenio. You see what I'm saying? So these guys are good. So you discover ICOs in an ICO listing platform. Alright? Okay, so this is one more listing platform that we're gonna check. This one says list ICO, paging ICO is live, and they're ending on May 31st. And there are a lot of other ICOs that are listed that we're gonna check. Look at, they've listed a lot of ICOs, Medichain, and a whole lot. So these are just ICO listing websites, but most of them don't really have what I look for in an ICO. So like I told you, these guys are really good, but not really what I want. Their design doesn't provide me the initial information I really need to get from the ICO to be able to make an initial judgment of whether I should check out the ICO or not. Alright, so in the next video, I'll show you the site that I use, the ICO website that I use that works perfectly for me. Alright, thank you very much.